DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. Gang, what's good YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The Dan back now, lab, you know. And a mad reaction. You see me? I'm bangers pound the head top. Yeah man, I see what they there today. We are back with none other than Biggs Dan himself. Yeah man, Biggs Dan been rebranded himself lately and he's doing very well. Come back with such such tracks such as Flow and Been Rich. What was the last one we reacted from? I think that's the name of it. Don't quote me if I'm wrong, gang. But yeah, Biggs Dan and he's back with Marksman, the one named Rotate. You see me I say, it's a good look. We never have Biggs Dan and Marksman collab before. Since our first collab. Come like Biggs Dan Biggs Dan been going on doing anything lately, so the artist definitely take notice the Biggs Dan switch up his style and he might improve. So you see dog start do some collabs right now. Look good. I check it out and see what dog do. Biggs Dan and Marksman. You see what I say?
Dance, a man in chop out them again, man.
A lie? Hey!
Badness coming in, I'm afraid.
Sound like some party vibes. Because on the visual it's a rotate, so like I switch some gal. Like they have gal in a rotation, probably like them I go deal with.
Bend over right, so touch your foot. Rotate like what the fan do. Inna your pum pum, I want my cocky jam.
Yeah, that gal rotate like what the fan do. Alright.
But can you front good, but my pen one, I want to fuck it up. I like your tongue do. Back inna your mouth, no horse a big crook a big hood inna your face, cover up your dimples. Rich nigga she a taste, she know we live good. Stop going like you no fuck for things too. Me broke inna your face, you move your senorita. You know me need her.
Come here, senorita. Alright.
I'm in a cheetah. I want my Birkin on your belly, me a breeder. Me not gonna leave you, me take you on a cheetah. Oh, your pussy too tight, you must squeeze ya. Oh, Lord Jesus.
Yes, mama, your thing too must have squeezed. That's why you're going so. And that's why you have so much attitude, mama. Jeez, peace. One, give me have to say it. Take this on the top, man. The one are full of vibes, man. The one are full of hype, man. Me like the one that come in. Energy up in the one, man.
Dance, a man in chop out them again, man.
A lie? Hey.
One are very festive. You know? Yeah.
Badness coming in, I'm afraid. You know me need us.
You know I need a mama walk one.
Me know what your man do. Bend over right, so touch your foot. Rotate like what the fan do. Inna your pum pum, I want my cocky jam.
Move like a blood clean coconut drop out of sky. Breadfruit drop out of tree. Boof!
But my pen one, I want to fuck it up. I like your tongue do. Back inna your mouth, no horse a big crook a big hood inna your face, cover up your dimples. Rich nigga she a taste, she know we live good. Stop going like you no fuck for things too. Me broke inna your face, you move your senorita. You know me need her, I'm in a cheetah. I want my Birkin on your belly, me a breeder. Me not gonna leave you, me take you on a cheetah. Oh, your pussy too tight, you must squeeze ya.
These little slimmers go on, huh?
Oh, Lord Jesus. Hey, girl, your body big and you a diva. I'm fine to beat ya. You got the glue, you got the grip, I must see tweezer.
Got the grip, I must see tweezer. You got on there, mama.
Girl, man. 100 girl can't too much. I work in man days of silence.
Yeah, not too much, my G. You're so correct on that one.
Me know what your man do. Bend over right, so touch your foot. Rotate like what the fan do. Inna your pum pum, I want my cocky jam. But can you front good, but my pen one, I want to fuck it up. I like your tongue do. Back inna your mouth, no horse a big cook. That bitch will spit. Box in her face just like Will Smith. Expensive.
Box in her face just like Will Smith. How did you Marksman, the easy in a dog. How do you like you?
That bitch will spit. Box in her face just like Will Smith. Expensive pussy have a latest trip. Play with the pussy, don't play with me. Fuck you like war creative.
That's facts. Mama, I want to play with your boom boom. Don't play with me. I want to. I think I do thing I ram thing when man come here for work. Play with your boom. Don't play. Don't go like you. Hey. Go
With the pussy, don't play with me. Fuck you like war creative. Hey, girl, your pussy heavy like a weightlifting. Enough worry, you safe with me. Pill boss in your brain, operate with skill.
Put your pussy pan it just and me knock it like a drum.
Me up in a she pussy, chaka 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 so.
Tell your body if you pan a back as it a bounce.
Come on, me we kick it up a notch. Living in your wall and come and live in a chat. Girl, open up your mouth and make me dig it like sun. She can do me like this and she can do me like that.
Hey, girl, I'm gonna love the one. The girl, I'm gonna love the one, man. This is a vibe. This is the energy is right. The lyrics and everything is flowing. It don't matter the dark thing and the nice thing at the same time. You see me the girl, I'm gonna like the one for real. Is it a winter time song? I think this is a summertime song. This should have been dropping in summer. Me not lie. One thing.
Fuck me rich so, and not just one song. While can't team can't one girl. Girlfriends being a ton and sap. 100 girl, never too much, my friend. Respect in the TG.
Me know what you want to do. Bend over right, this a touch your foot. Rotate like what the fan a do. Inna your pum pum, I want my cocky jam. But get the front good, but my bend one, I want to fuck it up. I that your tongue do. Broken on your mouth, no osa big.
Broken on your mouth, no osa big crook, bro. Alright. Easy now, man. Biggs done, Marksman. Oh no, fine. The one, man. The ladies gonna love that one. Yeah, man. The ladies gonna love that one. This is what the ladies been waiting for. You see me? The vibes are there, the energy there, the lyrics there, the visuals. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Hey, Biggs done love it. Still say if you're big, you do you know. Still the dog say, you know. I be able to see the dog and video them, man. Shout out to Biggs done, bro. That's a vibe. Shout out to Marksman. You know, Marksman are wicked lyrical youth, you know. Yeah, man, for the young generation, that are very, very lyrical, especially when it comes to the girl tune and chopper tune them. And the vibes on just energy. Just overall vibes and energy and breath into it. Marksman, very talented, very lyrical, bro. Man, I always have some different metaphors and similar in that thing. You see me, I say? Where you know, I expect people to come with, so. Don't underestimate Marksman. And Marksman definitely have a place in the industry. Now him know if he come, you know what I'm saying? You know what? He kind of took a little inquire for a little bit, but I guess he's been working, creating some stuff. But I guess he's been cooking up. So I guess at times he starts serving plate, you know. So yeah, I guess we're gonna start seeing more active, dropping more tunes. That wants it from Marksman. Marksman, if you start drop more tune, get back active, bro. We need one tune every 2 weeks for you for the next 6 months. Go back to all in New Year's, bro. And if you get back the buzz and hype, where man in the pan, man, dance all if you live up yourself, man. I want to know. What do you do? Cartel come out unafraid? Come on, man, get back active. Start drop tune, man. I want to. Don't work, no stop. No artist, same way, bro. You see me I say, but anyway, gang. I like to show the artist all of our support, making no side dance, you know. You see me I say, also drop your comments in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going. Let me know what you think about that one. The beat, let me know your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Gal them. You see me the visuals, let me know, you know. Yeah, man. That is a vibe. Definitely a playlist song for the gal them, definitely. You see me? And just like a party on the ends type beat. You see what I say when you know you actually the thugs them and the ladies them, yeah, that can play that, you know, yeah man. Play a tune, but yeah man, gang, let me know anything about the one day in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's talk about it, let's chop it up. You don't know. Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.